this tutorial is to teach you how to do ombre inside a Freshie mold. So first example I'm going to show is this coffee cup. I'm going to put this cardstock on it, and then I actually put that comb in the wrong spot, so I'm just going to move it up. So first things first, I'm going to put white at the top because I just want a plain white lid on this Freshie, and then I'll show you how to do the ombre. So with ombre, it's important that you choose two colors that are going to look good together when they're mixed. So pink and yellow is a combo that I really like because in the middle it kind of turns orange. So I like to work my way from top to bottom. The trick to a good ombre is to make sure that there's just a couple of your first color spread out in the middle. So here I'm just spreading out the pink just a little bit, and that's where the colors are going to mix together. Then once you have them all spread out, you're ready to add your second color. I like to start at the bottom so that I have a spot where the second color is not mixed with the first, and then work my way up to the top so that they are all spread out. Once you've added both colors, then you can use your fingers to make sure that they're spread evenly, and then you are ready to bake. And then I'll show you a couple other examples so that you can really see how I do ombre. So this next example, I'm going to do another coffee cup. This one's going to be just a little different with this wake up, coffee, wine, repeat cardstock. I'm going to section off that same spot at the top and use white up there. And then I'll show you what colors I'm going to use. So I'm going to use this light green and then this, it's like a teal turquoise kind of color. And this is one of my favorite color combos to combine because it looks really pretty in the middle. So I have my plain white at top, and I made quite a mess, so just ignore that. And then once the white is done, then I'll start adding in the colors. So again, I like to start from top to bottom. This time I actually remembered to put glitter. I wish I had remembered glitter on the first one because everything looks better with glitter. I just chose one that would look good with both colors so that it'll match when it bakes together. So again, start from the top, bottom. I like to spread the beads out so that there's just some that are kind of all on their own, and then that's what's going to add your really pretty color mixing. So I'm just spreading out some of those turquoise ones, and then I'll add the lighter color. And then again, I like to start at the bottom with a lighter color to make sure that none of the darker color accidentally gets down at the bottom before I pour them in. Once you have both colors poured out, then you're ready to spread them out and make sure that it's completely even for baking. I like to bake on 325 for about 20 minutes, sometimes 21 minutes. The white was a little too low, so I added a couple more beads to make sure it was thick enough. Now I'm going to move this out of the way, and then I'll show you the next one I'm going to do. So the last example is this Mermaid Tail. This is from K&L, which the coffee cups are as well. I'll link them in the notes. I'm going to use K&L's really bright pink. I think it's jam, but I'll have to look at it. And then their orange color, and I'll link that in the notes. And then this is the glitter I'm going to use. This one is from Cozy Leopard, and then the gold is just one that I ordered direct from China. So I just like to spread it out. And now I'm ready to do my ombre. So I'm going to start at the top with the orange. Again, you want that part in the middle where it meets to have just a little bit of orange spread out so that the pink beads can mix in the middle. So then I'm going to add my bright pink, and I'm going to start at the bottom to make sure orange beads don't get knocked down into where I just want that pink space. Then you spread it all out, and then you're ready to bake it. You want to make sure that you have even layers all over, otherwise your Freshie's going to bake unevenly. Now I'm going to lay them out so they're ready to bake and so that you can see them all together. Hopefully yours look similar to these. So now they're baked and you can see the ombre. So if you look in the middle of all of these, you can see where our colors mixed, and it makes a nice third color to add to your Freshies. So good luck! Please subscribe if you found this video helpful.